Someone out there said ever come today. Someone somewhere said there's a lot to be shared, and let you lure it between the lines. Don't let this love reach out between the lines. And the heaven can't wait, heaven can't wait, and the heaven can't wait, then so can I. out between the lines.